Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 2nd of October 2023 and the week will end on Friday 6th of October 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must have made at least 5 to 600 pips in the previous week from gold, dollar alone, right? And I'm not yet discussing other pairs. If you have traded all of them, I'm sure enough 1500 pips has gone nowhere. All right. So today you also have to give me your feedback because I have received so many messages from all of you. You guys wanted the analysis to be done on the TradingView platform. So here we go. I hope you will like it. And right here, first of all, I will be discussing the dollar index. And the dollar index, if you see right here, obviously I will be discussing the weekly. And the weekly, there is actually a trend that is expected, in my opinion, according to my strategy. That trend which is expected, and it will form near 108.928, somewhere closer to that. Just like in the previous weeks, what I have said is that dollar index is clearly going up and we cannot stop it. I mean, no one can stop it. Fundamentally, the index is getting enough strength right here, but also we cannot ignore the fact that last week we have seen a very nice wick or tail to the top side of the market. But obviously we cannot rely on this bullish candle with a tail on it, because there are several candles which have tails to the top side and then the market further continues up. Why? Because the candle is bullish. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame a little bit, and if we see the September closed above 105.920, which was obviously expected, and I have communicated this whole trading plan in my previous weekly forecast. So right now, as this monthly candle closed bullish, what we can see is there is also a little bit of rejection, and this rejection area I may not be deciding any trade opportunity on the basis of this rejection area. But if we see, no doubt it has been rejected from a key level of resistance right here, and the resistance, if we see, started all the way in November 2022. So a year old level it is, and most investors are going to take sell opportunities right here. But in my opinion, there is still a little bit of room left with us and on the dollar index, that it can continue a little bit further up towards 108 and 109, from where I am obviously expecting drop, and I will be expecting a rejection from this level right now. One thing I want to make clear right here, that this trend line is not yet confirmed. This is what I am personally expecting from the market, that it will be giving me, right? So let me just give me 1 second. I want to quickly activate this epic pen tool right here so that I can easily write on the screen. And right here, if you see, there is, in my opinion, still a little bit of room left with us, and then the market will be rolling over from 109 or 108, somewhere closer to that. So this is the weekly and the monthly, which closed obviously bullish, and price is no doubt at a rejection area, at a resistance area. So what's next on this one? Since 17th July, almost for 12 weeks or 13 weeks approximately, it's keep going bullish and bullish. Now I would like to draw your attention to this bearish engulfing candle right here. If you can see this one, let me highlight it in a rectangle. This pattern, if we see, is clearly, no doubt, it is a sell and it means that market was very easily, it created a very nice support near 104.500, and then it started to go up. It even broke this level, it continued back up, but what happened is on this candle we have got this bearish engulfing candle. So this bearish engulfing candle suggests clearly a drop towards 104.500 once again. But stay with me, I have to yet decide and discuss the H4 time frame as well, or 4-hour time frame right here. This rejection we also cannot ignore the importance of it, and when I will be switching to the H4, things will start to get clear in front of us. So before that, one more thing I want to tell you, and that is in the week ahead we have some important news data from the dollar, from the USA I should say, ISM manufacturing on Monday, and then FED chair Powell will also speak. Similarly on Tuesday we also have fundamental events for the dollar, job openings data we have, and then again on Wednesday we have non-farm employment change. So this is very much important, and the previous one was 1,77,000. This one is a forecast of 155k. So let's see, and then obviously ISM services PMI we have. On Thursday we have unemployment claims, just like every Thursday we have, and on Friday we have average hourly earnings and non-farm employment change. The previous one is 187k, this one is 168k. So let's see how it turns out to be. Now moving on to the 4-hour time frame of this market, and right here I would like to study this a little bit. If we see there is one opportunity, and that opportunity is if it go and create a top up there, which it clearly suggests that it is going back up and creating that double top. So if it do that, from the double top, market will be coming back down, at least if not 104.500, at least it will try to retest its Fibonacci zone right here. Let me highlight it, and this is going to be the early sign that dollar index is going to reverse from there. So almost we can say it took 61.8% retracement, and as per the ABCD pattern it will clearly be suggesting a further up move, right? We cannot deny this fact. This is one opportunity we have, a further move towards 107.845. It can be in the form of a wick, no doubt. Maybe during the news it goes straight up and create a wick up there and then bounces off. Plus that since this trend line is not yet confirmed, so 108.928 is also a 61.8% retracement. So very nice sell opportunities are expected on the dollar index from 108, and 104.500 is also approximately this. 104.69 is one level, but dollar index still seems bullish. I will be updating you in the daily forex forecast videos about it. Now moving on to the gold US dollar, and just like last week what I said was market is going to drop, and it dropped very nicely. If you see my last weekly forex forecast video, you can clearly identify that this was trending down. So we made good profits from the buy from right here as well. Then we have got this top up there, and then the market continue down. Last week, just as I have said that it is going to drop towards 1850. Well, pretty much I can say that there is a little bit further room left till 1839 now as per this. And if I drag it and drop it right here, I can easily say that this is now completed on the daily. The monthly candle closed bearish, but as we see, this candle was also bearish. I want to draw your attention to this one. Just have a look at this candle. This one was a bearish, and suddenly we have got a bullish engulfing candle. So saying it that it dropped right here, this is not an ideal situation for sell opportunities. So there will be one sell opportunity in the upcoming week. Obviously there are a lot of opportunities that we can avail. Some of them are intraday trades, then the day trade, but specifically right here I want to discuss that market most probably in the upcoming week 1888 has gone nowhere for a sell opportunity, and another level will be 1911. These two are a very important levels if you want to look for sell. And if we obviously get a break above this in the upcoming week, then we will be looking to the top side of the market. And even last week I discussed these two candles, and they were not giving us some good direction of the market. It rejected from right here, and on the daily if we see, it created this top as well right here. If you can see this top up there, rejection and the rollover. So right here the week closed no doubt very bearish on the H4. If we see even on the H4, there I tried to take a bullish intraday trade right here, but that bullish trade did not work, and this market like dropped from the same 1880 level. So in the upcoming week maybe it will come a little bit down, since I have also a buy position from right here 1859. So maybe it will try to stop me out first, not just me but everyone who is looking for buy opportunity from right here. So keep a margin of around 1830 in the upcoming week, and then we will be looking for a sell opportunity from 1880 and 1911. Euro US dollar, it worked very nicely. Check out my previous weekly forex forecast video, and the market very nicely gave us a rejection from the same level. But this is for a bullish, those who are looking for bullish opportunities, this is not yet completely mature level. So I want to have a look at it on the H4. On the H4, no doubt it seems a very nice bullish opportunity, but it has to come back down, create this double bottom. And if it creates this double bottom, and if you take it from right here, believe me, you will have a very tiny stop loss. Stop losses will be there, and it will be hitting the stop losses. We cannot stop it, and we also cannot decide that, let's suppose we take a buy position from right here and it hit the stop loss, it will mean that the strategy doesn't work. No, my friend, it is a completely false statement. So those of you who think this way, I think you should focus on learning a little bit. So several levels I want to find out today. Most of them will be on the H4, and the first thing first that I see is there is obviously a nice Fibonacci level we have. So let me find out if it is exactly 61.8 or if it is okay. It is 0.50, 50% retracement. So there is still a little bit of room with us towards 1.06405. Now I want to draw your attention to this level, since this level is broken once on the daily. Just have a look at it. Let me delete this Fibonacci. Since this level is broken once, there is most likely going to be a sell, a take from 1.06395, and good profits can be generated from there as well on the sell. So obviously forex trading is the buy and the sell, and those who just trade to one direction of the market, they are always being crushed by the market. So this is one bullish opportunity and bullish opinion I'm holding, and I also want to see this a little tiny trend that it established on the daily, and we can also not deny this fact. So let me highlight this area for you, so maybe those who are stuck somewhere or who have some problems understanding, see several touches, 1 2 3, and another ride here from 1.06817, the previous broken level. See this one, So it is expected we may get a bounce back from here, and if that bounce back, we can make some profits on that as well. We can make profits from the buy from here. And the master plan that I have is, if we get a breakout and a retest, that is for sure a very guaranteed trade towards 61.8% retracement of the Fibonacci. And let me give that precise level to all of you. Then you ask me, how do I draw Fibonacci? So just take this high and just take this low and find out that Fibonacci right here. So this Fibonacci, again different, my target is right here, and again right here, breakout, retest, another trade opportunity, and from there the master sell trade I'm looking for, with TP near 1.04846 and maybe below that as well. So let's see how the upcoming week will be. Moving on to the pound dollar, last week I was a little bit of neutral about it. I'm also having a bullish opinion on this one, and if we see, no doubt same situation is going on the euro and on the pound dollar right here. So in the upcoming week, I'm not going so much far away from right here, but this is 1.22507 is going to be a day trading area, a reversal, a sell trade, and a breakout, then obviously a buy trade towards 1.24000. So, and obviously if this breakout, and then we will be looking for another story towards 1.26000, since we have to see some thing on the dollar index. It means these pairs will be going back up, but if the dollar index doesn't perform nicely, then they will also be coming back down. Let's find some other trade opportunities, and that other trade opportunities, no doubt there is a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement right here around 1.21728 right here, almost tested, but there will also be an ABCD pattern if that happens. So remember everyone, there are dozens of opportunities on a same chart that you can avail, and if we get a rejection from 1.21719, we may most likely be going to see that this breakout will be occurring. So if it gets a rejection from right here, don't try to chase a sell right here, and those who want to chase a sell with quick profit, still that is also possible. Have a look at it. We will get a buy trade from here, a partial take profit right here, then if a breakout and the retest, then the continuation towards 1.24000. let's say if I'm targeting 1.24000 right here, then there will also be one opportunities. I will be holding this buy position towards that level. I will take a sell trade with some stop loss right here. So no doubt the profit of, if it hits the SL of this a sell trade from right here, if it hits the SL, what will happen is just this profit will be reduced a little bit, nothing more. We don't have to pay anything from the market. And if it continue in this direction, this profit the market is giving us at the moment will be secured. So this way, this is also a hedging thing, and in the description below you may, or on in the videos section of my channel, you will find a link of the hedging strategy. So if you are interested, 3 videos I have: the ABCD pattern, the hedging strategy, and there is one other, support and resistance. Make sure to check out those videos. Dollar cat, similarly right here, this video is going unedited, so just give me 1 second. Excuse me, sorry. So on the dollar CAD right here, if you see, I was holding a buy positions and sell positions, because I at the same time take buys and sells and manage my positions. So right here it gave me profit. Then I expected a sell opportunity from right here. So, and no doubt this is going to be a very nice rejection area as well, if I show you like this. So if it works, that's very nice. If it doesn't work, it will hit my SL right here. It gives us a false breakout, but if you see, this is in most cases just like in the previous videos I said, this was just a 61.8% retracement and nothing more than that. So obviously if it is a 61.8, there will be something that I want to draw your attention to, and that will be this completion of point D near 1.35848. so a drop is expected, and unfortunately this sell trade, this buy trade, I have closed it a bit earlier. There was one other ABCD pattern, so I closed it earlier on my other live streaming channel that is going to be for Indian and Pakistanis, for native speakers, Urdu, Hindi. So in those live streams I do cover these things, right? So let's see dollar CAD and the master one, the master sell opportunity that I'm holding from several weeks from now. You may know I have discussed it. I think you must have made some profits from even this trade. Even this is something which I think should give some profits to us, but Forex is like unpredictable 100% of the time. So let's see how it works. On the H1 there is a day trading opportunity, but I will be discussing that tomorrow morning. So yes, Bitcoin I want to see a little bit. 28,000 was one of my level, so let's see, and it created a top up there, but I still see it going up. But one level obviously it has completed right here. We took a buy from right here. I'm looking towards 28,636, but let's see, partial profit taking should be there because this is a rejection area, nice one. So what else is left? Crude oil. On the crude oil there is a sell trade, and unfortunately my TP was just at this previous zone right here, so it hit, and at the moment this is clearly standing at a buy zone with a little bit of false breakout. Maybe if we can adjust it like this, still it will be correct. And also if I see this, so a break below 61.8% retracement. Let's see, I'm not saying anything about it, but the monthly candle that closed with a huge wick, and this month it is so much possible that 83 and 95, these two levels are very much important for us to understand. Pound yen, where is that? I have received several messages for that. Okay, here we go. So on the pound yen, if you see right here on the monthly, it started to consolidate, which means that some drop is expected. And in the live streaming channel, first I took this, right, and it worked very nicely. Then on the daily, if I show you, we have several rejections from the same level, and market at the moment is clearly standing at 180. so those buy trades we took from right here, those who are part of my community, those buy trades should be closed, and I'm looking for these stories. So let's see this breakout of the trend, and it is continue towards 184, can be a good buy opportunity, and a rejection, one more rejection, and it will be a very nice sell opportunity towards the bottom side 180 and maybe below than that. But when I say wait for the market to give a breakout then a retest, it gave a breakout and even a retest. So in my opinion it should be going back to 184, and from there I will be taking a very nice and decent sell trade. So if I don't get plenty of profits from it, at least 300-400 pips has gone nowhere for the long-term traders, right? So this was the weekly forecast for the upcoming week. I covered very little pairs because mainly I will also be the euro, dollar, gold, pound, Dixie, I mean the dollar index, pound yen, dollar CAD, Bitcoin, Aussie dollar, US dollar, and let's see the Aussie dollar as well a little bit. And on the Aussie dollar there is a lot of things going on. If you see, this buy position I took, and partial profit taking is almost there. So it's coming back down, taking a retest, and further bullish opportunities I'm expecting. This is invalid, right? Because if it closes below, then obviously it will be coming back down. So last week what I said, it exactly did the same, and very nice sell opportunity last week it was. So 1 2 3 4 5, if you see from right here, it exactly completed that pattern, took our buy position, a little bit of drawdown, and then a very nice 2 days were profitable on this. A rejection from the same level, but that closed bullish. So let's see how things turns out to be. So this was the weekly forex forecast video, my friends. I am sure you will be giving me your feedback in the comment section down below. You will also be trading very with patience and with proper understanding. And at this Aftab's Forex community, I want to build a community where I want to educate all of you, my three. I will be uploading more educational videos if I get enough feedback from all of you on those 3 videos that I have uploaded: the hedging strategy, support and resistance, and the ABCD. Right, so this was the weekly forex forecast video. Just in case if you cannot understand forex nicely and you want to join my learning courses, one-on-one mentorship, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me and I will be facilitating you. I wish you good luck for a very nice and profitable week. See you in the daily forecast. So till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.